Alrighty, so here we're getting ready for dinner, which we're going to do breakfast. We got eggs, we got the cheese, steak sauce, you'll understand, chopped steak from the night before, green pepper, onion, bacon and sausage cooking in there. Bacon is for the grease, the sausage so I get a third meat in there. Get that nice and simmered and start adding everything else in there. Alright, so now we'll got the mushrooms for later. We'll pour all this into the skillet. The steak's already cooked, so all I'm doing is heating it up. And then getting the onion seared. Looks like I missed one. And what I'll do is I'll crumble up the sausage and the bacon and put back into here, and then we'll add the eggs. So now I've added the bacon and the sausage, which I just crumpled up, and the mushrooms. Gonna stir that all up. So all the meat has already been pre-cooked. Then I'll probably dump about 6 to 8 eggs in here. Top it with some cheese. All right, I got the eggs in there. Dropped 10 eggs in. Salt, fresh ground pepper. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all that in. Kind of bind everything together. And then we'll sprinkle some cheddar cheese on top for flavoring. And I'll flip it over twice. We'll be ready for breakfast. But for dinner. Probably easily about 50 grams of protein, probably around 500, 600 calories for the both of us. So this is what it looks like when it's getting cooked pretty well. Hit it with a little more fresh ground pepper and sea salt. Then flip it over and then be ready to serve. And you see it's just about done. About one more flip over and then I'll serve them on the plate. And the finished product. So we've got steak, bacon, sausage, green peppers, onions, mushrooms, all in there, and then a little bit of steak sauce over it for some extra flavor. Very nutritious, and it took me about 10 minutes to make.